Hello guys, this is Richard James Silverisa, and this is the last part of our video tutorial on how to use Microsoft Access. In this part, I will teach you how to view the data on the two tables which are connected. So let's start. Let's open our Microsoft Access. Let's select our database, which is practice. So first, let's at the left hand side of your screen at the top, click create, then select query design. So we will select the tables previously which we put some data on it. So first, course, in the table person. If you notice, the connection between the primary key course ID and the foreign key in the person's table course ID will automatically connect itself. Then the next step we will make is double click the desired attribute which we want to produce data. So double click course, last name, first name, middle name, and that's it. If you notice, if you double click the attribute, it will automatically generate these names down here. The next thing you will do is just to click run, and that's it. This is the view between the two tables that we put data. For example, my name is Richard James Silverisa. Then the course that I select is BS Emphasis, and it automatically show. So that's it. That's the third part of my video tutorial. Hope you learned something on it. Thank you.